Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verified data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand and I can speak English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Nothing, ma'am. I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded. Or I mean, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, nothing. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Jennifer Shawinko, 42 years old from Philippines. I worked before in United Arab Emirates year 2014 and 2016. My duties and responsibilities there is washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, and also gardening. Also, I working in Malaysia 2023 until 2025, and now I'm staying here in the Philippines almost 3 months now, ma'am. My
Okay.
duties it is in Malaysia is I taking care the newborn baby, the 3 years old, the 7 and 8 years old, and also an ama, 75 years old, ma'am. Also, I do cleaning, washing the clothes, and ironing the clothes. Sometimes I cooking, but not really good. Only pasta, some steamed fish, steamed vegetables, and some meriendas for the children.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience, okay?
Um,
You are 42 years old. You are single or married?
I'm married, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday is March 27, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3", and my kilo is 55 kilo.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I graduated as a caregiver with certificate NC2, ma'am, and also I taking computer science and technology, ma'am.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
I have two children, a 15 years old and 8 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is, we have a little business. We have a tricycle. And then my mother-in-law is only in the house helping us to taking care of the children.
Okay, did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you. As you have mentioned a while ago, you have a working experience in which country again? The first one?
I worked before in United Arab Emirates, 2014 and
UAE. Okay, so you worked there for how many years?
2 years and 3 months.
Okay, so what year did you started again and what year did you finish?
2014 and 2016, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities there?
My job and responsibilities in UAE is cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, gardening, and then teaching the 2 years old the granddaughter of my madam.
Okay,
I
did you
teach
cook
them.
there and did you do laundry?
I do laundry, but I not really cook because they have cook in my neighborhood because her relatives.
Okay. So after that, after UAE, you work in Malaysia way back 2023 to 2025, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You work here for how many years? 2 years.
Uh, 18 months, ma'am.
18 months. Why you didn't finish your contract?
Because my boss is needs to go back to the China.
Needs to go back to the China. Your employer is the one terminate your contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you work there for 18 months. You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you take care How many children?
4.
How old are those children? Newborn, 7?
Newborn, 7 years old, 8 years old. Newborn, 3 years old, 7 and 8 years old.
And 8. Okay, and you also take care 75 elderly, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it female or male?
Female, ma'am.
Female. Okay. So, they go back in China lah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, it's not new for you, as I have mentioned. You have a working experience as an OFW. So, you need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely sure.
Okay. Can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
A little bit, but I can cook.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
It's
Sorry.
okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then fine, you can come. Please work properly. But if you disagree, it's okay also. Please stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we always remind yourself why we wanted to come and work abroad. Why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, yeah? So any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. You need to follow the rules and regulations and you need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you fight your homesickness?
Every time I feel that, I just only make myself busy doing work inside the house.
Doing work inside the house.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good
Bye.
day.